a very spacious living room where you will have spacious mini kitchen area, master bedroom, very spacious of this. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am your virtual tour assistant Sunidhi Verma and we are at the actual location site of SDMV Elite, which is located in Glass Factory, Electronic City, Bengaluru, Vardapalya, Karnataka. So we are at the actual location. As you can see, this is the sales area office and the land parcel and neighborhood as well. So before going to a lot in detail, let's discuss about what is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyer is directly connected to developer, whereby giving you a bottom price rate. Other listing platform where if you do an inquiry, your number will be shared to a different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. So Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer, where you can book your dream house directly with developer through Housey. So let's have a look to this beautiful project. Guys, let's talk about the SDMV Elite project overview, which has spread across 1.8 acres of land with variant 3 towers in it. And if we talk about the stories, it has total still floor plus ground floor and 3 upper floors as well. It has 2 BHK and 3 BHK. So guys, if we talk about the connectivity from this project, you will be getting DMart ready only 700 meter fast. And if we talk about the Metro Mall, only 3.8 km far. And if we talk about the National Highway 48, only 2.1 km far. And guys, if we talk about the amenities, so this project has 20 plus luxurious amenities, including multi-purpose hall, association business park, and gyms and swimming pool, and lot of many more luxurious amenities. So guys, I am standing outside the sample flat tour of SDMV Elite of 3 BHK with dimension 1410 square feet. Let's see how it looks. So as you can see, this is a very spacious living room where you will have a very spacious area for your couches and sofas as well. As you can see, there is a running balcony which is directly attached with the living room. Very spacious. As you can see, you will getting the all neighborhood area as well. Let me show you this space which you can have your all this stuff and a very spacious area for your showpieces to carry. And if we talk about the kitchen area, a very spacious mini kitchen area you will be getting in this 3 BHK flat. As you can see, this is a running balcony as well, which is directly connected to the kitchen area. As you can see, you will be getting a perfect spacious kitchen area balcony, as well as this is directly connected to the lobby area and corridors as well. As you can see, here you can have your dining table as well to sit, a perfect space which is connected to directly to kitchen as well. And guys, this is the common washroom area, as you can see, with wall to wall tiles, with perfect bathroom wear fittings. Now guys, let me take you to the first bedroom of this 3 BHK. So here, a very spacious bedroom, as you will see. As you can able to see, this is a very spacious with window ventilation over here. Let me take you to the second room of this 3 BHK apartment over here. So over here you can able to see a perfect spacious room or having with a window ventilation over here, perfect space to have your workstation as well, a perfect space for your cupboards as well and your bedding as well. So guys, let me take you to the master bedroom, but first let us know what Housey actually does for us. So in Housey, we give you actual home tour location and we give you actual sample flat tour as well. And also Housey gives you all the inclusive pricing details with EMI and down payments as well. And also in Housey, you will be providing all the 360 virtual project as well. And after all of this, if you like this project, within a 3 simple clicks, you can able to book your free site visit by clicking on the link which is mentioned below the description box. So let's have a look to the master bedroom. Come. So guys, as you can see, this is the master bedroom, very spacious of this 3 BHK apartment. You can have your workstation over here, you can have your big cupboard over here with a king size bed as well. As you can see over here, this is the washing area of this master bedroom with wall to wall tile finishing with perfect bathroom finishing as well. So guys, I had showed you all 3 BHK flat tour including a master bedroom, and if you like the project, you can book your free visit as well by clicking on the link which is mentioned on the description box below. And if you wanted to book your ebook brochures, then just go on the link and register yourself to housey.com. So guys, I am your virtual tour assistant signing off. We'll be right back with another luxurious experience. Till then, take care.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.